Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, welcome to the Best Bundles Transformer Weekend Unveiling Ceremony in association with Statewide Cleaning Cloths Australia, Lifeline Clothing Malaysia, Upcycle for Better, Australian Textiles Manufacturing Malaysia, and Best Bundle. We are absolutely thrilled to have each and every one of you here to celebrate this incredible event. Your presence here makes the occasion all the more special, and we're truly grateful for your attendance. I would like to take this opportunity to say a special thank you to our guest of honor, Yang Mulia Tengku Datuk Dr. Hishamuddin Zaizi. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to unveil, something that will leave a lasting mark on our hearts and the landscape of Southeast Asia. But before we get to that, let's take a moment to acknowledge the importance of sustainability in our world today. You are currently set at the only ISO accredited zero waste textiles recovery facility in Malaysia. For those who aren't familiar with Lifeline Clothing Malaysia and Australian Textiles Manufacturing Malaysia, this factory is the leading textiles recovery facility in the country. Every year, they strive to push the boundaries in terms of innovation and transformation. Transformation is not only a fundamental theme in the world of Transformers, but also in the realm of sustainability. In today's global context, we face immense challenges when it comes to conserving our environment and resources. It's imperative that we take action to reduce waste and continue to develop textiles recovery infrastructure. Now let's get to the exciting part. We're proud to announce the unveiling of the two monumental statues that you can see right behind me. Introducing the world's largest Bumblebee and Southeast Asia's largest Optimus Prime Transformers. These magnificent structures, made entirely from recycled scrap metal, stand as symbols of the enduring legacy of Transformers, reminding us of the power of transformation in all aspects of life. I would now like to welcome Mr. Dale Warren, the Chief Managing Director of LLCM, ATMM, and Best Bundle, to share some words of wisdom with us.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our opening of the remarkable project that we've got here, which is Transforming Textiles. This occasion symbolises our commitment for sustainability, but also amplifies the power of textile recovery. We are very committed to trying to change the volume that is thrown into landfill. And with our partners here in Malaysia, we have been very successful in doing that.
A very good day to you all. And as you know, I'm Tengku Hisham. I would like to start by thanking Lifeline Clothing Malaysia for inviting me as your guest of honor. Let me express my profound excitement that Selangor, which is my beloved state, has now become the proud home to the largest Bumblebee sculpture in the entire world and the largest Optimus Prime in Southeast Asia. That's the second largest in the world. Let us embrace change, growth, and progress, and let us continue to work together to make our country a more beautiful and sustainable place for generations to come. What more, today is a special day, it's a Malaysia Day. So thank you very much.
Bye.